Teaching kids DIY skills the right way. My name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. Most people think teaching kids DIY skills is about building projects, but let me tell you, it's actually not about that at all. Instead, it's really all about building confidence. It's about teaching them critical problem-solving skills and a mindset that says, I can figure this out. And if you teach it the right way, you won't just build projects. Ultimately, what you'll build is a legacy. In this video, we will cover teaching kids DIY skills. Let's get started. Most people think teaching kids DIY skills is about building projects, but it's not. It's about building confidence, problem-solving skills, and a mindset that says, I can figure this out. And if you teach it the right way, you won't just build projects, you'll build a legacy. For me, this started decades ago, back in a 1970s shop class, and that's where I learned something that stuck with me for life. Patience matters more than power tools, and measuring twice saves you from starting over. Years later, when I brought my own sons into projects like painting our garage, it wasn't about getting it perfect. It was about teaching them how to work, how to think, and how to stick with something. The biggest mistake people make, they try to teach too much, too fast. Kids don't need complicated projects. They need simple wins. Start with sanding wood, painting, measuring boards. And here's the key. Let them struggle a little. That uneven paint, that wrong measurement, that's not failure. That's learning. Before any project begins, safety comes first. Always teach them how to hold tools correctly, why safety glasses matter, when to stop and ask for help. You're not just teaching them how to build, you're teaching them how to work smart, and that's a skill they'll carry for life. Every do-it-yourself project is bigger than the project itself. It's a chance to teach patience, planning, problem solving. When kids work with you, they're learning how to think, how to adapt, how to finish what they start. Those lessons, they last a lifetime. If it feels like work, they'll avoid it. If it feels like fun, they'll come back to it again and again. Let them choose parts of the project, make small decisions, celebrate progress, because when kids enjoy the process, they stay engaged. Confidence doesn't come from being told, good job. It comes from this moment. I built that feeling. That's what you're really teaching. Start small, build over time, and watch their confidence grow with every project.
Teaching kids DIY skills is one of the most valuable things you can do because it's not about perfect projects, it's about raising problem solvers, builders, thinkers, and if you do it right, you won't just build things, you'll build memories, skills, and a legacy that lasts a lifetime. If you believe in building skills that last, subscribe to Conley's Home Improvement because around here, we don't just build projects, we build legacy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Conley's Home Improvement. Making your home look good one project at a time. Teaching kids DIY skills the right way. Follow at Conleys-Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following. Again, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video.